Kia ora and welcome to my transformation method of forming an equation of a parabola from a graph. Okay, so in past videos of mine, I have gone over a translation method of speed sketching a parabola. Here, we're going to be doing the opposite of that. So the first step we're going to do is look at how our graph is shifted from a basic parabola. So here we do actually have a basic parabola, and on a basic parabola the vertex normally starts at 0, 0. Now remember, in a translation method of a parabola, our basic equation looks like this. We've got y equals some constant times bracket x plus something, close bracket squared, plus some constant. Okay, so the most basic parabola will be x squared, and that starts with our vertex down here at the origin. Excuse me. Right. However, on our graph, our vertex has shifted to the left and up. Now remember, when it shifts horizontally, our b value here changes. Okay? Now because our x value of the current vertex is at -2, we need to work out what this bracket would equal. We would have to work out what would be in the brackets if that brackets equaled 0. So here, if we had 0 is equal to, our x from our graph we can see is -2 plus b. What does b have to equal to make the statement true? +2. Fantastic. So this is why we have to change the sign, okay? So it's been translated 2 units left, okay? So that means our equation inside the brackets is going to be x from over here, we can say it's going to be +2. And how many units up? Gone 1, 2, 3. 3 units up, which means we're going to have that squared and +3. Sorry, it's squared because it's a parabola, +3 because we went up 3. So it's a basic parabola that's just been translated. If I just add some dotty lines here for the mirror image, so we're going across 1, up 1, go across 2, and up 4. That is our basic parabola. So we don't need to change a, it's a positive parabola, so we can leave it like that. And that would be our equation. So our equation of this graph is y equals bracket x plus 2, close bracket squared, plus 3. Okay, let's do another one. Okay. Maybe not. Now this one is going to be the basically reverse steps of how we did speed sketching using the intercept method. So remember how we were given an equation that looked something like this. We've got y equals a bracket x plus something, so we'll say h, x plus something else, and then plus c. We don't even have the plus c. We don't even need the plus c, sorry. Okay. So we had an equation that looked like this, and basically we ended up with an intercept at whatever h was, an intercept at whatever k was, on our x-axis, and our y-axis was whatever h times k was, if it was a positive one. Right, well now we're going to do the reverse. So here we've got x is at 2, we've got x is at 4. So that means we've got an x that is equal to -2 and an x that is equal to 4. So again, like before, when we've got to make the brackets equal 0, 0 is going to equal -2 plus h. What would h have to be to make the statement true? Okay, so we've got something minus 2 equals 0. That's right, it's positive 2. So that means h is equal to 2. So we've got x plus 2 because it's a positive. Okay, so similarly, 4 plus something is going to equal 0. So our k is going to have to be -4 because 4 minus itself is going to be 0. So x minus 4. Okay, now let's check. We have plus 2 times minus 4 times -4 is -8. Okay. We've got positive 8 here. What do we have to multiply it by? So kh is equal to -8. What do we have to multiply -8 by to make the statement true? That's right, -1. So our a value is going to be -1. However, we don't have to write 1 in front of things in algebra, so we can just say minus bracket x plus 2, close bracket x minus 4, and you're done. Okay. Another short tip would be noticing that the parabola was negative anyway, so you could have said from the start that you're going to have a negative parabola. Cool. Thanks for watching.